Hey guys, I'm Marian and welcome to Simply Made Homestead. Now today it's all about potatoes. You can see behind me here is a nice hilled row. Now to look at it you would think that those are freshly planted potatoes, right? Well, we're down here in 9B, Central Florida, so we planted potatoes back in February. And this is where we are now. We haven't dug yet, and it's not quite time to dig. We shouldn't need to dig until about mid-May, and it's just the day after Mother's Day right now. So, the problem is, everything was going beautiful. You can see here a picture of our potatoes, beautiful potato plants, before we took a little trip to Montana, which is not a trip I regret by any means. It was amazing, it was wonderful. We saw family we haven't seen in 4 years, and it was just, loved it. Just so thankful for it. But while we were gone, our potatoes took a hit from the bugs and from blight. So when we came home, first thing I did, I sprayed them, and with some spinosad to try to, do something with the bugs. If there's something else I should have sprayed them with, please leave them in the comments below, because we are learning here and I am up for suggestions. So anyway, didn't see any more holes or chewing or anything from the bugs anymore, but the blight took over, and I cut back, picked, cut back, and the more research I did, the more I saw where if it's more than 10% of the plant, you need to cut your plant all the way down to the base and burn the leaves. So we did that. And so now it's been about a week and a half since I did that. They said to wait about 2 weeks, but I can't stand it. It's like digging for diamonds. You don't know what's down there or if anything's down there. And blight can go all the way down. Like if you leave those leaves on your plant, you leave that plant there on the roots, attached to the roots, it can go all the way down to the roots and it can rot your potato. And I really didn't want that to happen. I love fresh potatoes, I love fresh vegetables, and we put a lot of work in our garden, you want to try to save it if you can. So today we're going to see if the efforts of cutting back the leaves and leaving them, you have to leave them in the dirt for a while, and we've done that. It's been about a week and a half. They recommended 2, but we're impatient, so here we go. We're going to see what we've got. Trying not to stab the potatoes. Up. I don't know. That's a pretty good sized potato. Look at that. That is beautiful. See, now there's a couple little ones there. We could have gotten better there, but we've got some nice sized ones. No rotten places on it or anything like that. So that's what's important. Those little tiny ones, they'll be perfect for boiling. You just get a little, boil them up. Butter, salt and pepper. Oh yeah. That will be super, super yummy. All right, it's all right there. Let's move our way down a little bit. Trying to start out a ways because I really don't want to fork the potatoes. Here we go. Nice sized potatoes. And I will keep those little tiny ones. That'll make a nice little pot. Now that one's too little. We won't keep that one. Oh, look at that one. Look at there. See that? See, this is where if you have children around, which we had grandchildren here for the weekend, but we were so busy doing stuff, I never got around to getting them in the garden. We picked cucumbers, but we didn't get any potatoes dug. And we'll just work our way down. Oh, that pretty little thing just, oh, look at there. I'm gonna wish I had gloves on later when I'm trying to get all this dirt up from under my nails. And we'll just continue to work our way down. Look there. Nice potatoes. I saw another one, I thought. Oh, right there. Well, there we go. That is I think for me, that's a perfect size. I love that. That's perfect little boiling potatoes. I'm very, very pleased with that. All right, they're all dug. Got my husband out here and he helped me out, and I thought the phone was recording and it wasn't, so you didn't get to see him. I'm sure you'd rather see him than me, but maybe next time. But anyway, you can see behind me all the potatoes that we dug up. We've got a nice little crop, and I could not be more pleased. Even though we had blight and had the trouble that we had, we still got potatoes out of it. So I hope this video, it just helps you a little bit with the like dealing with blight and things like that if it comes about in your potato patch. And don't give up. You know, that's the whole moral of the story here is just don't give up, and when things go wrong, just do what you can and hope for the best. You know, just let's work for the best, and sometimes it doesn't work out and sometimes it does. It sure is nice when it does. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If videos like this are helpful to you, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications so you won't miss a thing. We appreciate you so much, and if you would like to help us, the best thing you can do is to share us with your friends and family. So until next time, take care, guys, and God bless.